Hi everyone, welcome to Healthy and Halal. Today I'll be making zero carb, high in protein, low in fat egg wrap. This could be a perfect choice for healthy breakfast or a filling dinner. Let's get started. We need 4 cups of sliced mushrooms, 1 whole green pepper chopped, and 1 whole red pepper chopped, 1 whole red onion chopped, 1 cup of baby spinach, crushed green pepper if you like it spicy, 4 egg whites, 1 whole egg, 3 tablespoons of low-fat Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of salsa. We'll be using 3/4 cup of black beans, minced garlic. First, crack open the whole egg. Add egg whites. Sprinkle some salt and mix it well. Now we are going to make the egg. Heat up the pan and apply oil using a brush. Pour the eggs into the pan. Cover and cook until the eggs are well done. Now the egg looks pretty much done. Sprinkle some black pepper over the eggs. Now let's start preparing the filling for the egg wrap. Add onions into the pan. Add chopped garlic. Add crushed green peppers. Saute it until it's cooked well. Sprinkle some salt so that it cooks fast. Now add green pepper and red pepper. Add the sliced mushrooms. Sprinkle some more salt. And also sprinkle some black pepper too, which gives good flavor to the mushrooms. Now cover and cook for about 2 minutes. To prepare the special sauce, add the salsa to the Greek yogurt and mix it well. Now let's start preparing the egg wrap by spreading the special sauce on the egg. Now add the black beans. Add the spinach. Add the sauteed veggies. Now close the egg wrap. Egg wrap is now ready. Enjoy your zero carb, high protein, and low fat breakfast. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my recipes. You have a wonderful day. Take care. Peace.